It's a rare occasion when I come across this bird. I'm turning back to I call this the Terminator bird. Uh, I don't know what species it is. I hear it around in different parts of the valley. It's got plenty of different voices. Beautiful ones, all of them. There it was. That's the one. That's a Terminator song. And I'm out.